Okay, hello everyone. My name is Tony. As we all know, as you guys know, we are doing the assignments about the blogging app and the schedule app. And the app that I choose is Flora and Google Calendar. At first, let's look at the feature. Yeah. Flora. It's basic. It's simple. It just have few buttons. Like we just need to set the timer, and we press start. It's suitable for every ages. The more we use, the more we grow tree in real life, and I'll explain this later. Okay, and last but not least, it's free to use. Okay, so let's move on. Google Calendar. It's a Google product, and it's free to use. It's compatible with phone. That means you can transfer data from laptop to phone or phone to laptop immediately. It's automatically remind important day. Like it can link with your ticket flight, ticket show, and before the ticket and before that events, it will remind you like before that 30 minutes or like an hour. Okay, let's move on. The disadvantage and advantage of the apps. With Flora, the advantage, it's very easy to use as it have the basic theme. It will remind immediately if you close the app. It's like when you close the app and you open other app, like the notification will shows up and tell you you have to go back or your tree will die. The disadvantage is it's only for iOS and which I mean iPhone, and it's only free in Canada regions. With Google Calendar, the advantage is like its convenience and it's automatically remind user. We are able to change the color to highlight like the important activity. Like you can put like the red on the red color when it's your sleep time, or like the blue color when it's the time for you to read books or like doing work or something. Okay, the disadvantage. I think it's like it's not the theme. It's not as easy as like Flora. It's quite complicated with Elder, and because like they must create each activity like instead of copying. Why I said like this? Because like we cannot just copying. Like Elder, they are very slow at technology, right? So like it's gonna be tough for them. So like it's just suitable for like student, I think, because we have more time and we'll work faster. Okay, let's move on. The cost. All is free, and that's good. But luckily we are in Canada, so we don't have to worry about like Flora, right? So yeah. The recommendations. After you Flora for 3 weeks, like seems like we start to quarantine, or maybe before. Yeah. So I've grown in total 25 tree in apps, and that's great. And that will be transferred to, no, it's not. Like the 25 tree in that app will be equal to 2 tree in real life. And I'm so happy about that. And it's have the basic theme, it's easy to use, it's good for students or individual who wants to concentrate for a long period of time. Okay, so with Google Calendar, if you want to manage time more properly, have more time for hobby and yourself, you want to improve your performance, you should use this app. Last but not least, the rating of the app. So this is the information that I took from App Store. With Flora, it's 4.6 star out of 5, and it's ranked 45 in productivity. With Google Calendar, it's 4.6 star out of 5 and ranked 13 in productivity. So overall, I think like both of these apps will help you to like to help you to perform better, like in both work and in life. And this app is just like an assistant tool for you, and the key thing is like you should like do it. You have to do it. And that's it. Thank you.